The Revo hubless e-bike is truly a groundbreaking innovation in the world of electric bikes. Its most eye-catching feature is its hubless, spokeless wheels, which not only give it a sleek, futuristic look, but also push the boundaries of traditional bicycle design. These hubless wheels make it stand out as one of the most visually impressive e-bikes on the market, while still maintaining high functionality. Powered by a 750-watt motor, the Revo offers a smooth and powerful ride. It also features a 48-volt battery that fully charges in just 3 hours, giving you up to 60 kilometers of assisted riding on a single charge. The bike has an impressive top speed of 25 miles per hour, making it ideal for both urban commuting and leisure rides. The Revo is equipped with adaptive pedal assist, so it can automatically adjust to your pedaling, providing extra power when you need it. Its built-in 800-lumen LED lights are embedded in the wheels and come with an ambient light sensor, which activates the lights automatically in low-light conditions for increased safety. Security is also a top priority for Revo. Its triple barrier anti-theft system includes a fingerprint reader on the handlebars, an integrated GPS tracker for real-time tracking via a companion app, and a padlock. This comprehensive system ensures your bike is protected both physically and digitally. The Revo hubless e-bike isn't just about functionality, it's a statement in design. The Cube Fold Hybrid is an ingenious blend of practicality, power, and compact design. It's a hybrid bike built for convenience, making it an ideal companion for urban commuting, weekend errands, or even holiday trips. What sets this bike apart is its clever folding mechanism. The bike folds effortlessly, allowing you to carry it onto public transport, fit it into your car's trunk, or even store it in a small space at home. Powered by Bosch's e-bike system, the Fold Hybrid offers an effortless, smooth ride, especially useful for conquering hilly terrains or longer commutes. This, combined with Shimano's 9-speed gears, means you get the perfect balance of human-powered pedaling and electric assist, ensuring a comfortable ride across various terrains. Maintenance is hassle-free, thanks to the practically maintenance-free hub gears, and the integrated carry handle makes it even more portable. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or exploring new places, the Cube Fold Hybrid is your versatile solution. With its easy-to-fold frame, sleek cube design, and compact form, the Fold Hybrid is perfect for anyone looking for a stylish, functional e-bike that doesn't take up too much space. It's a bike that's designed to be as easy to carry and store as it is to ride, ensuring a seamless experience wherever your journey takes you. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is a cutting-edge hydrofoil bike that takes water biking to a whole new level. Unlike traditional water bikes with bulky pontoons or hulls, the SL3 offers an elevated riding experience that glides smoothly above water, allowing riders to cut through choppy waves and swells with ease. Powered by a quiet 2.5 kilowatt electric motor, it delivers up to 4.5 hours of ride time and features throttle control for a seamless, exhilarating ride. One of the most innovative features of the SL3 is its patented deep-water hydrofoil launching technology, which allows riders to start from a stationary position in deep water. With 10 levels of electric assist and the option to use the throttle instead of pedals, you can effortlessly launch, coast, and cruise. In less than an hour of practice, most riders become confident in maneuvering the bike on the water, thanks to its easy handling and intuitive design. The SL3's composite monocoque chassis ensures a sturdy and stable ride, while the new flotation and mounting ergonomics keep the bike upright even when stationary, making it much easier to remount during deep water launches. Additionally, the fixed cord foil improves stability and control, giving riders a smooth, gliding experience. It offers a revolutionary way to ride on water, combining the best of cycling and hydrofoiling for an experience like no other. The Revolve is a revolutionary modular wheel designed to change the way we think about transportation and mobility. It's the first foldable wheel of its kind, breaking away from traditional designs that have remained unchanged for centuries. As urban spaces become more congested and people's lives grow busier, the need for innovative, space-saving solutions is greater than ever. Revolve tackles this challenge by reimagining the wheel, offering a compact, highly portable, and versatile design that could open the door to new types of foldable bikes and transportation solutions. One of the most striking features of the Revolve wheel is its ability to fold down by up to 60% of its full size. In its unfolded state, the wheel has a diameter of 665 millimeters, but when folded, it reduces down to 260 millimeters, making it small enough to fit in a backpack, trunk, or even overhead luggage compartments on airplanes. Whether it's for a bike, wheelchair, or other mobility devices, Revolve is designed to be compatible with most large bicycle wheels, making it a versatile solution for various transportation needs. The hexagonal structure of the wheel ensures that even when folded, it retains its strength and functionality. The Elliptigo elliptical bikes offer a unique combination of cycling and running, designed for a comfortable, low-impact workout that feels like you're running on air. These bikes provide an innovative, long-stride pedaling motion that activates your whole leg, engaging muscles from your calves to your glutes for a balanced, full-body workout. The elliptical motion mimics running, but without the high impact on joints, making it ideal for people looking for a gentler, yet highly effective form of exercise. The Elliptigo 3C, one of the popular long stride models, features 3 gears, perfect for anyone seeking a great cardio workout on flat terrain or gentle hills. With a 250-pound weight limit, the 3C can accommodate a wide range of users, and the adjustable stride length, from 16 to 25 inches, allows you to customize your ride to suit your body type and the terrain you're riding on. What makes the Elliptigo stand out from traditional bikes is its circular pedaling motion. It provides a low-impact, full-body workout that engages more muscles than a typical cycling session. These bikes allow you to simulate a running motion while offering a comfortable, low-impact experience that's easier on your knees and hips. In essence, the Elliptigo elliptical bike family is designed to provide a superior workout experience compared to traditional cycling, offering the benefits of running without the impact. So there you have it, 5 incredible bike inventions that are pushing the limits of what's possible. Which one would you like to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech and gear videos.